galaxy is a system of stars, stellar debris, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity. All of this material is held together within the galaxy by gravity, and one of the elements that provide this immense gravity is the black holes at the center of most galaxies. But even without black holes, the high mass matter in galaxy centers can hold the rest of the galaxy within the system. Within galaxies, planets, planetary moons, asteroids, stars, dust, nebulae, dark matter, and neutron stars form over millions of years. There are many galaxies in our universe, each with a magnificent star system and gas community. Each galaxy is unique in terms of the number of stars in it, its structure, and its gas clouds. Just like every country is different from every other country. When we describe our planet, we use information such as gravity, the core, the atmosphere, the surface made up of water and land masses. Planets are made up of many different types of ecosystems. Just as there are dense populations of humans, there are galaxies with dense populations of stars. Earth is a planet in the solar system, located in the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun is located 1/4 of the way to the outside and 3/4 of the way to the center of the galaxy. It follows from the motion of all galaxies that clusters of galaxies are moving away from each other due to the expansion of the universe. For example, the Milky Way galaxy is moving through the universe at a speed of 2.2 million kilometers per hour, 600 kilometers per second. This means that at one point billions of years ago, all galaxies were together. All this time, it has been said that there was an explosion that pushed the galaxies apart, and that this explosion was the Big Bang. If you want to learn more about the Big Bang, you can click here. Just as our Earth is made up of a myriad of free materials, each galaxy is a unique mixture of gas, dust, and stars. Just as there are many countries on Earth, there are different types of galaxies. There are 4 defined types of galaxies. These are spiral galaxies, barred spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. 1. Spiral galaxies are the most common type of galaxy in the universe. The Andromeda Galaxy, the closest galaxy to the Milky Way, is a galaxy of this type. Spiral galaxies have a bulge and halo region at their disk centers. The center of the galaxy is similar to the nucleus, containing a spherical bulge that houses old stars and is devoid of dust and gas clouds. The spirals of the galaxy form the circular shape. The arms of the spiral galaxy emerge from the disk, and this is where new stars will form. Some galaxies have a bright region called the halo region. The halo region is a spherical collection of old stars, known as globular star clusters, at the outer edge of the galaxy. It is not easily recognizable in visible light, but it can span twice the size of the galaxy. Low-density gas and dust, known as interstellar gas, abound in the halo region. The halo region is actually invisible, but there are simulations of what the Milky Way would look like without this invisible mass. 2. Barred spiral galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy belongs to this group. Barred spiral galaxies do not differ in their properties from normal spiral galaxies, but they also have bright stellar bars running along the bulging center. Here, we would like to give a brief overview of stellar colors. Stars emit light at many different wavelengths, but the wavelength of light at which a star's emission is concentrated is related to the temperature of the star. The hotter the star, the more blue light it emits, and the cooler the star, the more red light it emits. Back to our topic. The bright bulging region at the center of the galaxy has very low activity and mostly red stars. In the star bars and arms of the galaxy, there is more activity, such as star formation. The arm where the Sun is located in the galaxy is the region with the most gas, and it is here that new stars are formed. There are plenty of blue stars in this region. Scientists think that 90% of the mass of our galaxy is made up of dark matter. This makes 10% of all luminous matter, or ordinary matter, that we can see with the naked eye or through a telescope. 3. Elliptical galaxy. Elliptical galaxies can be recognized by their elongated spherical shape and the absence of a central nucleus or bulge. Although elliptical galaxies have no nucleus, the galaxy center is brighter and decreases in brightness outward. Stars, gas, and other material are spread throughout the elliptical galaxy. Elliptical galaxies are compared to cigars because they are almost round and elongated. Most of the mass of elliptical galaxies is thought to be made up of the black hole at their center. Such galaxies have low activity and often contain old stars with low mass. This is because they lack the gas and dust needed for star formation. 4. Irregular galaxy. As the name suggests, these galaxies have irregular shapes. Irregular galaxies are composed of gas, dust, stars, nebulae, neutron stars, black holes, and elements common to all galaxies. Irregular galaxies are divided into two classes, Io and Im. Im galaxies occur among the most common irregular galaxies and can be traced to spiral galaxy arms. Io galaxies are completely random and are also called chaotic. About 20% of known galaxies have been identified as irregular galaxies. The most visible irregular galaxy from Earth is the Small Magellanic Cloud, an Im galaxy. Irregular galaxies usually do not have enough structure to identify them as spiral or elliptical. In some cases, they may show the feature of a bar structure and have regions of active star formation. Some small irregular galaxies are called irregular dwarfs, similar to the oldest galaxies, which formed about 13.5 billion years ago. Irregular galaxies are characterized by their structure, or lack thereof. In our next videos, we will introduce all the galaxies one by one. Stay tuned.